We are live. I'm really sorry, guys, that the previous stream was down. I'm really sorry about that. Mm, Due to some bad glitches, it went down. Okay, no issues. Uh, we have restarted the stream. Let me share the link. Just a minute. Yeah. Yeah, we are live once again. Hopefully, this won't be going away. Cool. Yeah. So, what we were doing, we were basically setting up the Redis logic. Okay. Oh my God. Okay. What we need to understand is from this part, okay, from this exact part, just a minute, I'll just close my window. Yeah. I think the dog won't be bothering us now. Okay, so the thing is, before actually commenting me or asking me that what I am doing, you should understand that how a Lua script is working on a Redis server. So that is very important to actually understand, like how this thing will work on, like on the Redis part, because we won't be actually implementing it on the server itself. It will be directly getting like passed. The data will directly be getting passed to the Redis server, where it will actually understand and set the prices, and it will update everything. Okay, so yup, let me do it. Hmm, he's one bit. Okay, yup, yup. Okay, and this will be for Redis call set return one else. Okay, yeah, it kind of did the total logic. Never mind. Okay, now let's set up function subscribe to Redis, pub sub rdb dot subscribe pub sub rdb dot subscribe ctx slash channel updates. Yep. Now this, yeah, pretty nice. Channel equals to pub sub dot channel. Yep. For message range ch and clients mu dot lock for client range clients uh, error client dot write message websocket dot, yeah, that's pretty much the code. If error, yup, this is pretty much the code. Yeah. Now what we need to do is, yeah, it's giving the total thing only. Nice. Okay, cool. So our logic for subscribe to Redis is done. Now what we need to do is we need to actually broadcast it. Broadcast to Redis. Just a second. Function broadcast to Redis. Yeah, we need to broadcast the message, and we need to do JSON message comma underscore, which is for the errors, json.marshal message. Okay, and we need to do rdb dot publish ctx channel update session message. Yep, pretty much it. Now we need to set the app logic. Now comes the total logicy thingy part of like the total server. Let me drink some water. Okay, so now we will be actually implementing the total thing. So function run timer. Yeah, ticker equals to time dot new ticker 1.1 into time dot second defer ticker dot stop. For range ticker dot c, we need check if running. First we need to actually check whether it's running or not. So running comma underscore rdb dot get ctx key runtime result. Cool. And we have to check if running, then we need to do is time left underscore. Sir, what are you doing? Can you please give me a general idea? It will be really helpful. Okay, Sevo, good night, bhai, good night. সাকিবুর, আমরা এখানে বেসিক্যালি একটা অকশন সিস্টেম বানাচ্ছি। অকশন সিস্টেম বানাচ্ছি, এর থেকে বেশি আমি আর কি এক্সপ্লেন করব। লাস্টের যেই আমাদের লাস্টের একটা মানে লাস্ট যেই লাইভ স্ট্রিমটা ছিল সেখানে আই হ্যাভ অলরেডি প্রিটি মাচ এক্সপ্লেন লাইক হোয়াট আর উই ডুইং। অনেকটাই বড় হয়ে গেছে, হ্যাঁ এটা ঠিক আছে। আই থিঙ্ক নাও ইটস প্রপারলি ভিজিবল। Yeah, time left, we need to do the time left part. Okay, yeah, time left rdb dot dcr, and we need to do ctx keytime dot result. Okay, cool, it's pretty much giving me everything. Okay, yeah, result, and we need to do, okay, we have done the time left part. This was the time left part. Okay, from fetching from the Redis part. Okay, and now we need to do is price. We need to check the price, key price int. We need to check the bidder, and we need to check the item. Okay, so I think you are getting it. I think you are getting it. Like if you are actually in the total thing, then I think you shall get the like overall what I am doing here basically. Okay, so now what we need to do is we need to check if time left is less, oh sorry, is greater than 0, then we need to implement a logic that broadcast to Redis message. The message will be, type will be to update, and item name would be item, amount will be price, username would be bidder. There are a lot of mosquitoes around. Nice. Okay. And the time left would be int time left. Cool. Yeah. So basically, what is happening is that if the time of the total auction is not zero, like the auction has not end, then we will be broadcasting it, or we will be actually publishing it to Redis, that this is the specific, like this is the specific item name, this is the specific amount right now, this is the specific bidder, this is the specific time left. Okay, now we need a else statement, like if it's somewhere, like not zero, like it's not somewhere zero, it's zero basically. Thus, like it's that time when the total thing has ended, and now what we will be doing is rdb dot set ctx key running false and zero. Okay, now we will be doing, just a second, I think we need to remove that. Okay, I'm not getting what did happen. What happened? I didn't understand. Non-boolean condition. Why? Okay, here. Yeah, that error is gone. Yeah, I'm not understanding that why this thing is randomly, why this has randomly, why, like bro, for real? Why? Okay, 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 okay. Unknown field, item name. What have I done? String. Okay, this shouldn't have been a string. Item name should have. So, is it not? Ah, it's returning a string. Unknown field, item name instruct literal of type message. Missing literal field. let's check. But why is it showing like that? Unknown field item name in struct little. It basically did nothing. Ah, never mind. There will be a lots. There will be lots and lots and lots of errors while you do like. Okay, let's not get too involved. We need to finish the whole code. After that, we'll see. First, we need to get the code running. After that, we'll fix everything. Okay. Now do broadcast to Redis message type will be this will be basically the ending. So type will be end and item name. Okay, I think you have done it. Now item name is there. সবই তো ঠিকই তো আছে. What's the problem? Item item name again. Same thing. Okay. Amount would be price. Then username would be bidder, and time left would be 0, and content will be sold, because this is basically the auction ended portion. Okay, this is basically the auction update part, and this is the auction end part. Okay, now we need to do we need to create a function handle handle connections. Okay, yep, yeah. Now we need to do ws. Oh, it's giving me already. Ws update data. Yes, and now we need to do if nil. Yep, done. Now we need to do def. Now it's also done. This is also done. Okay, good, good. At this pace, we won't be needing the whole night. For var message error. Okay, okay, okay. No, 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 I don't think. Delete clients ws clients.emulator unlock. Break. Okay. Now we need to implement the if msg.type equals bid. Then we need to do process bit msg. We'll be doing the process bit afterwards. Else if msg.type because if we actually implement the specific function in this specific if else block, it would be a massive disaster, because যখন আমরা ফাংশনস এর মধ্যে ভাগ করি তখন কনকারেন্সি ওয়ার্কস আ বিট বেটার। আমরা যদি একটা ফাংশনের মধ্যে সবকিছু ঢুকিয়ে দিই, দেন ইট ওয়ন্ট ওয়ার্ক। ওকে, দিস ওয়ন্ট ওয়ার্ক, মানে একদমই কোনোভাবেই কাজ করবে না। ঠিক আছে, ওকে, টাইপ মেসেজ start. Okay, now let's do start auction message, এটা আমরা পরে ইয়ে করব। আচ্ছা, এবারে this thing is done. Okay, we have done the connection handling. Now we will start with, first will be do function start auction. ওকে, স্টার্ট অকশন শুরু হলো এখান থেকে। এবারে হবে হচ্ছে rdb ডট সেট, rdb ডট সেট yes, okay, again item name, okay, yeah, key time I want to hard for it basically, 60. mm, key bidder, key bidder, key bidder, key bidder, key bidder for now. Let's like this is the initial values. Okay, this is basically what will be directly getting, like I write it, initializing the auction parameters. Yes. Okay, so now we need to do is broadcasting the start message, broadcast to Redis, message, type update, update item name, message dot item name amount would be message dot amount, then username would be Ognivo, and then time left would be 60. Good. Yeah, done. This was basically the broadcasting part. The last part, what we need to do is we need to func process bid msg message. We need to process the bid, right? Wait, let me think once. Um, how would we do this? How would we do this? How would we do this? I need a second to. I need a second to think. Wait. Hmm. Okay, I'm back, I'm back, I'm back. I'm back. Cool. Yeah. So I just did some math. Not math. I just took out my notebook and did some logicy thingy and yeah. What we need to do is running. First we need to like check if the thing is running or not. Running, comma, underscore rdb dot get ctx. First, let me disable this. Okay, just a minute. Let me snooze it for some time. I don't want your suggestion. I know it would give me good suggestions, but for the time being, I don't want. Okay, key running. This would be a boolean dot bool. Yep. And now if running, not running, then return. Just simply return something. Okay. Then we need to do is keys. We need to set up the keys array of string with key price and key beater. Okay. Now what we need to do is values. We need to do values, and this will be a interface array. Now msg dot amount, comma, msg dot username. Okay. And what we need to do is result, comma, error should be bit script dot run. This should give us ctx rdb keys values, and we have to spread the values. Okay, cool. We will spread the values dot int and done. Yeah. And now if error not equal to nil, then we'll do log dot println redis script error, and we'll just simply print the error and then done. Cool. Yeah, so basically this part is done. Now we will be doing is if result equals to 1, then we'll do, okay, equals to 1, then just a second, we'll do time left comma underscore rdb dot get ctx comma keytime dot int, and this will give us if time left is less than 10, then rdb dot increase by ctx comma keytime comma 10. So basically if there is a bid, like if the bid is occurring like at 10 seconds of ending the, like we are getting a time frame like 60 seconds, and suppose bidder 1 has put up a bid of uh, for example $1 million, and bidder 2 has put the bid, suppose 1 million and $1, at suppose 58 seconds, or suppose at 55 seconds. Then at that specific point, we'll just increase the time by 10 seconds. Okay. So, yup, now we will be doing is that we will be broadcasting that to our Redis. Broadcast to Redis, message, then type update item name, message dot item name, then we'll do amount, message dot amount, and we will do username to msg dot username, and we'll do time left to cool. So here the logic ends and our server is ready. Okay. Now what we will need to figure out is where to run the Redis. Where to run the Redis basically. Now let's do some research. Okay. Let's do some research first. Let's basically do some Gemini. Wait. How to where can I Redis? Like this is for like this project. I think I don't need a full-fledged Redis server right now to actually process this. So a free version would be good. Let it give some results. Till then, let me drink some water. Okay, Upstash. Upstash Redis Cloud. Okay. Okay, Redis has its own cloud. Okay. Great. That is great. I mean, I can't be more happy than this. Let's set up a new database. Option system tool. Okay. Cool. Just a minute. Okay. Okay, we need to add our endpoint here, add our endpoint here, and we need to add two more parameters. It's password putting this would be the password. Yeah, and db would be, yeah, good. So we are basically done. Like, we are basically done. We don't have any issues right now, I guess. I don't see any issues. Rather than this item thing, I don't know why it's giving me this item thing. I seriously have no idea. Just a second. Okay, now let me do one thing. Oh, sorry. Yeah, the scene was totally okay. So now let me do one thing. The comments are very irritating me. Wait, let me generate some good comments. Wait a minute. Uh, generate some good comments. Yep. Let it generate. Yeah. Okay. Cool. Yeah, it has given me the comments. Like, the comments are very necessary, right? The comments are actually very necessary. Like, if you need to actually understand the code, you need to first understand the comments, right? Cool. Now what we need to do is we need to actually do go run server. Should connect to the Redis. It should connect to the Redis. Yup. Fail to connect. No such endpoint. Cool. Okay. Okay, shit. Yeah, this has actually, just a second. I don't want my comments. First, let us run the code. Okay. First, let us run the code. Comments तो बाद में हो जाएगा. Comments पौरे में add करो दोगा. First, let me run the code because that's much important. Yep, connected to the Redis. Yup, it's connected. Finally, it's connected to the Redis. Now I think I can go to the Redis console and I can actually look up for the databases. Yeah. Okay. Now I think, in theory, this should work. Okay. In theory, this should work. In theory, this should work. Okay. So So wait a minute. Let me bring down this here and let's do localhost 3000. This is the Redis console. Okay, yeah. Now I think if we do to 2022, we no, if we do BMW uh, M340i started at 100K, start the auction. I think it should do. Yes, it's working. It's working great. And if I do Ognivo right now, then it should get me the thing. Okay, I think it is working. Okay, Onish is still here. I what I think is the database configuration is not properly done. Wait, let me check the logs. Redis script error. Redis script error. Yeah, as I expected. As I expected. This will give error. Okay, cool. Let's fix the error then. Cool. What is the error? Let's stop this. Let's check the error first. Okay. So the error is non-existent global variable current price. Okay, cool. Let me think it. Wait. Script attempt access non-existent global variable current price. Script ready script error ready script error ready script. Okay. What I think is what I think actually that is there is some problem with our constants. I think so. I don't know, might be wrong, but two people are watching. Wow. Hello. Please do chat. Hmm. I think there must be some problem here. If current price value is equal to redis dot call get keys 1. No. Wait. If current price value is false and current price value is nil, then the current price would be this, and yeah, exactly. This would be the current price and it would end. Yeah, yeah. I think this should work. I think this should work. Might not as well, but I think this should work. Okay, same error. Never mind. Just a second. Hmm. Expected to reduce, I understand. I think this should work. Okay. Yeah, it's updating, guys. Wait, can you see? Oh shit, wait. Yeah, yeah, it's updating. Wait a minute, let me fire up another instance. Let me give this as test one and see it's updating. Yep, wow, it's updating. Nice, it's updating. Let me keep it side by side. Wait, yeah, wait, let's not put it here. Yeah. Yep, it's updating. Yeah, suppose 500 bucks. Yeah, it's updating 500. Yeah, it's updating. It's just that it's just slow because uh the server which it's on, it's not very fast. This Redis problem is not a big deal. If I run it locally, it would have been just easy, very easy. Yeah, see. The 10-second one which I was talking about. Yeah, it's working. Fuck, it's working. Yeah, nice. 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 It's working. Yeah, it's working. Fuck yes, it's working. Cool, cool, cool. It's working. Okay. So we have actually completed properly this thing, and yeah, basically we have done the total thing. The auction system is working pretty good. Okay, now let me do one thing. Let me just go to Redis Cloud Console once. Yeah, see the metrics. Yeah, see, it's showing. Yeah. Redis Insight is basically a workbench for Redis. Okay. If you, in case you don't know. Yup, it's showing, baby. Yeah, it's showing. Let's go. It's showing BMW M340i time 0. Because it's ended. Running 0 because it's not running. Price it's 19,000 bucks, which we have already seen. See, it's 19,000 bucks. And the auction bidder is 209. This one was 209 and he won it. So yeah, that is working very good. Oh my god, that's working excellent. Cool. Cool, 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 cool. Yep. So this is working pretty good as of now. Okay. So what are the things we can do? What are the other things we can do? What are the advancements we can do? Chat. I want your like just a second. Hmm. Okay, chat. Should we upgrade Redis streams instead of pops up. Chat, I want full yes no, full yes no right now, full yes no. One thing is we can like add Postgres to it. Like Redis is not a very good database to be used. We can add Postgres or Mongo, anything. Uh, the chat. We didn't test the scaling yet, right? We need to test the scaling, like how the site is scaling. We need to do that first. Let me bring a bottle of water for me. Wait a minute. We need to test the scaling, right? Just a minute. I'll get something for me to eat. Cool. Let's do one thing. Okay. Let's first one server is running fine. Okay. What we should do is just a minute. Let AI do its work. First, let's run this in 8080 port. Now, one is running fine on 8080 port. Okay. Another one we need to do. Hang on. Yeah. So try to understand. Okay. This was the actual classic problem or the problem we were trying to solve it. Okay. This was the actual problem we were trying to solve. Like both are running on different ports, but both should get the sync. Suppose I start one from here, test. Let's start the auction. Okay, see, both the ports got the same, right? Suppose here, let me do it. Well, here, let me do Ognivo. Here, let me do Onish, my friend. Okay, now let me bid 1,000, a grand. Okay, see, it's getting updated at the same time, and both of them are getting the same updates, right? This was the actual classic problem which we were trying to fix, right? Like if we wouldn't have used any Redis, the Redis layer, then if we wouldn't have done it, see now the bid has been done and we have win. Okay, I have I, I have won the total thing, right? So this was the actual problem we were trying to solve, right? Problem of scaling. Now I can proudly say that my app is successfully scalable. It's highly scalable, right? As we already see, as we already saw. Just a second, guys. I'm getting back at you guys very soon. I just need how to add this. I don't even know. Okay, I think while the stream is going on, I can't put it. Maybe that's the reason. No problem in that. let's listen to some Navan Sadhu. What else can be added? Pushed. You might not be able to hear it because I've turned off the audio capture because that would give me copyright for obvious reasons. thinking to add that real database layer, like the Postgres layer. Like, wait, let me explain. I have to explain this part a bit. गुलजार न बुलावा तेरे दोस्त तेरे से लिखा दे सजीदी शायरी कमजोर लगती आजकल सानू तेरी तोर लगती okay, this was uh auction system. Yeah, so what it would do is, so let's wait. Yeah, yeah. So what the database layer would look like, what the database layer would look like is a server. There will be basically two part. Okay, one part would be this which is the Redis layer. It's extremely fast, and one part would be storing it in a database. So first the act a go routine, the one first go routine would be doing the pubs up thing. Okay. First I thought of actually implementing Redis streams, but Redis streams I don't think we will be needing it now. Okay. So what I think is we need a separate go routine function or a separate thread, which would actually, this would be the speedy layer. Okay. It This would be the high speed layer. The speed is totally different. One layer would be there to just push, one go routine broadcaster would be there just to push the data to the PG server. Okay, that is what we need to do. That is important. Yes. So basically that's what I was coding. That's what I was coding basically. I mean, just a second, let me fire up one more. I've done it. I mean, that thing is done. The code I've written, I was doing that only. The code I've written, but the main part which I'm concerned about is like properly running it. I mean, I know it's not a big problem, but still, I have to check it once. Postgres I have to speak. Let this connect. Like I have done this part, okay. I've done this already. गुलजार न बुलावा तेरे कमजोर लगदी याद याद कर दिया आजकल सानू तेरी तो लगदी Hmm. Let this service start. Till then, let me show you the code. Wait. Yes. So what I have done, this is basically Postgres initialization. Okay. This is basically where we are saving the bit. This is a like asynchronous function type thing. Like the Go routines is creating a separate thread, and this is a basically a concurrent thread, which is constantly pushing this bidder name and amount and value to like the Postgres server. Yeah, that's all. And like one more function which is done is process bit. Wait, process bit. Where is process bit? Process bit. Yep, process bit. Process bit. We are doing save bit to DB. Like this is basically again like a concurrent one. We are not the thread is not waiting here. Okay, this is a separate thread. This one is a totally separate thread. See, we are using Go routines here to basically this is we are using a separate thread to actually assign the work to do it slowly because Postgres is not designed to take a high speed like data. And what I think is we can implement Kafka also here, but I don't think that Kafka will be efficient. Like it won't be economically efficient for this scenario. But if you actually want to like scale it to like if you want to actually scale it at a large scale, or if you want to actually deploy it in production, I would highly urge you to implement Kafka here. Would add implement Kafka if necessary for better durability. Exactly. So basically, what Kafka would do is you would just be the producer and your DB would be the consumer, and you would just use the Q1 or the like the event management, so that even if at one single point 100 or 1,000 people bid the same amount, it would take its own time, and it would like Kafka would manage the traffic and everything, and so that it does not create a dead block like a dead block at the DB side. And one more thing also I could have used, but I haven't used right now. That is, I could have implemented a hmm, mm, ORM, but for now I haven't implemented any ORM. As it is just we are doing it for the like for a development purpose, right? We are not doing it for production deployment. So when key things to be reminded, and one more thing, implement ORM for production. Okay, implement ORM for production level code because ORM implementation is 110% important, because if you don't do that, you are your system 110% you would be like getting SQL injected or something. Like nowadays it doesn't happen that much, but still, if I was deploying if I was deploying it in production, then I would have used a ORM 100%. No doubt in that. Is the service up? Just want to test it for 1 second. Okay, it's running. Cool. Yep, it's connected. It will be working fine, I know. Still, let's test it once. Okay, okay, cool. I have finally fixed it. Oh my god. Oh, it feels great to fix it. It's finally fixed. Oh, see, it's working great. No questions on that. It's working extremely fine. You can see also the graph. It's working totally good. Let me check the database default DB. Wait, first current queries. Query statistics. Wait, yeah. See, the queries which I've manually put up. Okay. Connection pools though, no. Connection pools though is different. Wait. I think they had a workbench, right? Most probably they had a workbench. Hmm. So it's done finally, I guess. Yep, it's done. So, guys, today's stream ends here. I hope you guys enjoyed and you got to learn a lot of new things. If you actually find if you actually found this video or the live stream to be knowledgeable and you gain some knowledge and some value from this uh, from this stream, uh, make sure to give it a like. Make sure you subscribe my channel to get updates whenever I go live or post any video or anything. Till then, good night, goodbye. Uh, I don't think good night will be specific in this case. In this case, I would like to say have a good day and keep coding and keep exploring things, different things. Uh, That's all. Thank you so much, guys. Bye bye.